133. Woo! Nagbago nga talaga ang ranking. Yes. Nagbago ang ranking dahil ang 8th place goes to Team Discuss! From 7 na 8. Ay! Okay na. May request the team leader, Mommy Med Cordero, together with Dr. Lungkot, to receive the plaque and the Edwin Award cash prize. Ayun.
Team Eo, very nice.
Congratulations!
Everyone wins.
Nagbabalik na naman si Ma'am Chinchin.
Together with Ma'am Lynette Cordero.
Dahil nagbabalik si Ma'am Chinchin sa stage, ang tawag na sa'yo, multi-awarded. Nakalagyan ang award na receive. Multi-awarded Chinchin Ramirez. Anay Shadow Silver Dust. Asako.
Okay, and now, for the 7th placer, with a total of 5,696 points. 7th place goes to Team Help and Team. Sorry. Team Help Ambassadress.
May request to receive the award is the team leader, Attorney Mary Joy, and Assistant Leader, Janelle Abuga. Now the Ambassadress.
Ambassadress and emotion of embarrassment.
Yeah, total of 5,600.
Please, attorney, congratulations.
Okay, next. The
6th place. Total score of 5,940 points. Alright, ang importante din naman ka 7, din po ka 8. Congratulations, Team Joy Vitality!
fourth place. The fourth place with a total points of 6,270. Fourth place goes to Team Anxiety!
Here we go!
Team leader is Team leader is
Team Anxiety Rangers.
Jocelyn May Rosa. Si Doc Mendoza at si Ma'am Sarah.
Dr. Mendoza.
Oh. On duty yata si Doc Zoe.
Hey!
Okay, okay lang.
Now,
Third place.
For your information, what separates the top 3 teams is almost only 200 points. Right? The may kaibigan. But it mattered most kung man ang panahon ng PBO. This is the race to first goes to right. Third place!
15,000.
15,000 and a trophy.
What separates you to the second place is 200 points. What separates the second place to the first place is also 200 points.
Sa quiz show yata
Okay.
yung 200 po.
Ready yourself. Hold on tight. Third place goes to Team Fitness. Where's the pins?
Doc Vince.
Doc Vince.
Doc Vince.
Oo nga.
Sabi sa inyo,
Mag-change
may
na naman.
ako.
Okay, we are down to the last 2 remaining teams. Di ba nasaan ang mga team na hindi nakakayan?
Only in gusto mo maumapatian. Ang winner or ang second?
Ang si Rono, hindi naman tumotor ang ranking. Ang second na
Second, we will be announcing second placer for the National Week 2024.
automatically, ang hindi na-mention will be the champion this year.
Again, your total score for the second placer is 6,748 points. The first, the champion, is 6,963 points. Ganyan tayo kadikit. Ganyan tayo kadikit. Here we go. Second! Otro mga nga. Congratulations, team! You guys are second. Team Invincible! You guys are second points or...
And now, to receive the cash of 30,000 pesos and a trophy, our 2024 National Hospitality Champion, Team.
Let's give it a round of applause, Team Angry Birds! The champs! The champs are here tonight!
With the team leader, Dr. Sabay, assistant leader, Ma'am Joy Areza.
Grabe! Galing, 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 galing!